Take 5. That was the postman. Oh dear. A very, very warm welcome back to the Dolden Details channel on a very, very cloudy Essex day. Right, this video this week, been trying to get this video out for quite some time because I've heard lots of really good rumours about this product. This is a Velocity by OCD Finish. This is an SiO2 product. SiO2, sodium dioxide to give it its full name, and Google it, I had to, yeah. So this product, this changes the way water will affect your panels. As water hits your car, it will just bead and sheet like no one's business. Well, what's so special about that, Paul? Well, it's the fact it's so easy to apply is for one thing, and it is instantaneous. It's quite shocking. I did a panel test on the Polo behind me, on the wing, and just quickly put it on and just went like that with a hose and just thought, Jesus, that's something else. That's some good shizzle, as I call it. So it's got ceramic properties inside this magic bottle. Retails at $17.99. Go and check them out. Obviously, links will be under the video. Why would you want to use this above a quick detailer? Well, because it's got the ceramic properties, it will probably outlast a QD. QDs are very good for maintenance washes. They're very easy to apply. This is more of a go-between, like a sprayable sealant, if you like. We all know that ceramic properties, i.e. in the waxes and the sealants and especially the coatings, is the way forward. So I'm going to give this a panel test. A quick insight very quickly. If you know anybody's used this before, don't spray the entire car and go around it with a microfiber. You'll really run into some difficulties with trying to be very, very grabby. We'll do a panel at a time with a dry microfiber, give it a pass, and as it gets a little bit grabby, flip it over and buff off. I didn't run into any issues this morning. At the moment it's a little bit damp, to say the least. We're going to wait for the rain to stop and we're going to give this a go, and I'll let you know what I think, and above all, get some gorgeous water shots right at the end. So this is it, OCD's Finish Velocity SiO2 ceramic detailer. So spray it on the cloth, on a dry cloth. The choice is yours. I use a thin microfiber for this. You can use a thicker one. No issues with it being grabby. I did swap over at one point to buff this off with a thicker one. Just experiment, you can sort of see it there. A little bit of a haze there, but that might be the fine mist of rain we had on this gorgeous February day. Just literally work your way over. Try and do it in sections. This bonnet's not too bad. It's very, very small. It actually looks like the car's in a hole. It's not. I'm nearly 6'5" and the car's been lowered. I should have kept the sound on this video. We had the electric board reversing up the road. One of them really dodgy reversing beepers that sounds like it's been like a cat's being strangled. And this is what you are left with, this lovely rich gloss. Excuse the trim on this car, it's been neglected. A nice reflection shot there from that hedge. Water behaviour, something else. Instant beads. What's it like at sheeting? This is what it's like at sheeting. So I dried half the bonnet and just left some beads on there for you. Just a light spray from the hose just to show the beads. And there you have it. Very quick protection. Well, finally we've finished. It looks like the sun might be coming out. Yeah, it is February. Jesus. I need to get a heated seat out here. It's getting a little bit cold. What do we think of velocity? Well, ease of use for one thing, and water behaviour is something else. We'll come to that in a minute. The ease of use. Spray it directly onto your cloth, straight lines, nice and easy, and all of a sudden, boom, it's there. The gloss is there. You don't have to keep rubbing it and working it in. If you need to change cloths, it becomes a little bit grabby, then by all means switch over to a new fresh microfiber. Don't be tempted to run around the entire car and just spritz it everywhere. Just do your paint and work it and then buff it off. It's as simple as that. You've got the protection from SiO2, ceramic properties in there, so you get the incredible water sheeting and beading. So that's, you know, as a bonus, and it's easy to use. It's quite a simple review, this, to be honest with you, but it's exciting stuff because it's so quick. Before I started shooting, I did it this morning, and I was mucking about on this panel over here, and something else, really good stuff. So thanks to Neil OCD Finish. Go check them out. Website below. Coming up on the channel, we've got some more stuff from OCD, including this. This is their glass sealant, this one. Many more products from loads of people. Inundated at the moment. If you want to join the live vlogs, the Instagram vlogs, by all means join them. I'm going to try and do those weekly, as well as do as many YouTube videos as I can, weather permitting. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Check out the social media links below, and I'll see you again on the next video. See you later, guys.